Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about the uniform motion and non-uniform motion. In the previous video, we have already discussed about the motion, types of the motion, distance traveled and displacement. In this sequence, we know that if any object change its own position with respect to time, that is called the motion. If we wish to describe which type of the motion, we must know that how fast or slow change the position. So today we will discuss about the uniform and non-uniform motion. The first is uniform motion. Uniform motion, the body are said to be uniform if the object, moving object, covers equal distance in equal interval of the time. Equal distance in equal interval of the time. Here is the, suppose that an object moves in 100 kilometer in 50 seconds. Next 100 kilometer 50 seconds. Next 100 meter 50 seconds, and next one 50 seconds. Here is the distance. First 100 meter, next 100 meter, 100 meter and 100 meter. In the first 100 meter in distance cover the moving object in 50 seconds. Next 100 meter covers 50 seconds. Next 100 meter 50 seconds, and next 100 meter 50 seconds. So we can say that the moving object equal distances means 100 meter, 100 meter. Equal distances covers in equal interval of the time. This type of the motion is called the uniform motion. The graphical representation between the time and distance. Here is the, consider x axis, y axis. X axis taken time and y axis taken distance. The graphical representation between the uniform motion, the line will be straight. If the graph between time and distance, the line will be straight. This type of the motion is called the uniform motion. So here is the equal distances in covers in equal interval of the time. First 100 meter 50 seconds, next 100 meter 50 seconds, 100 meter 50 seconds, and 100 meter 50 seconds. So it is clear, uniform motion refers to the moving object. It covers equal distance in equal interval of the time. For the example here, Earth rotates its own axis. This type of the motion is called the uniform motion. Hand watch, clock, this type of the motion is called the uniform motion, because here the equal distance covers in equal interval of time, means the distance and the time duration will be same. This type of the motion is called the uniform motion. Second one is the non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion body are said to be non-uniform if the moving object covers unequal distances in equal interval of time. Unequal distances means here is the some example for here. First 100 meter in 50 second, next 250 meter 50 second, and next 270 meter 50 second. Means the moving object covers unequal distances in equal interval of time. Unequal distances. Here is the first, that is the time 0, 50 second, 100 second, 150. First 100 meter 50 second, next 250 meter 100 second, next 270 meter 50 second. Here is the unequal distances, means here is the 100 meter, next 100 250 means 150 meter, next 250 to 270, that is the 20 meter. Here is the 100 meter second, 150 meter, next 250 meter to 270, 20 meter. So here is the 100, 150 and 20. There are the unequal distances. यहाँ पे जो distances हो रहा है वो क्या हो रहा है, इक्वल नहीं है. मीन्स फर्स्ट जो टर्म था वो 100 मीटर था, नेक्स्ट स्टेप में 150 हो गया एंड नेक्स्ट में 20 मीटर. सो हियर इज द डिस्टेंसेस अनइक्वल. यहाँ पे जो डिस्टेंस हो रहा है, क्या जो डिस्टेंस कवर रहा मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट वो अनइक्वल है. जैसे यूनिफॉर्म मोशन में हम लोग ने पढ़ा था कि द मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट कवर्स इक्वल डिस्टेंस इन इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम. यहाँ पे क्या है, अनइक्वल डिस्टेंसेस. फर्स्ट 100 मीटर, नेक्स्ट 150 and next 20 meter. In this distances covers in equal interval of time, that is the 50 second, 50 second, 50 second. First 100 meter 50 second, next 150 50 second and next 20 meter 50 second. It is clear. In the non-uniform motion, the moving object covers unequal distances in equal interval of time. यहाँ पे टाइम, जो टाइम ड्यूरेशन हो रहा है वो क्या है, सेम है, सब जगह 50 सेकंड है. लेकिन यहाँ पे जो डिस्टेंस है वो क्या हो रहा है, डिफरेंट हो जा रहा है, अनइक्वल हो जा रहा है. और ये कंडीशन यूनिफॉर्म में नहीं था. यूनिफॉर्म में क्या था, वहाँ भी ये डिस्टेंस क्या हो रहा था, इक्वल था, इक्वल डिस्टेंस, और टाइम ड्यूरेशन भी, टाइम इंटरवल भी क्या था, सेम था, तो यूनिफॉर्म था. जहाँ पे अनइक्वल डिस्टेंस कवर्स इन इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम. ये मार्कर को हम ड्रॉप कर रहे हैं ग्राउंड की तरफ, तो इसका जो डिस्टेंस कवर होगा, जो इसकी स्पीड होगी वो क्या होगी, चेंज होगी. जैसे जैसे अर्थ के नियर जाएगा इसकी जो है स्पीड क्या हो जाएगी, इंक्रीज करे लगी, क्योंकि अर्थ जो है क्या होता है, अंडर टू ग्रेविटी. तो फ्रीली फॉलिंग ऑब्जेक्ट टुवर्ड्स द अंडर द ग्रेविटी, दिस टाइप ऑफ द मोशन इज कॉल्ड द नॉन यूनिफॉर्म. क्योंकि वहाँ पे जो डिस्टेंस हो रहा है, कवर हो रहा है, वो क्या हो रहा है, चेंज हो रहा है, अनइक्वल हो रहा है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ द मोशन इज कॉल्ड द नॉन यूनिफॉर्म एंड द ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन. हियर इफ द ग्राफ बिटवीन द टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस in the curve, this type of the motion is known as the non-uniform. अगर जो टाइम और डिस्टेंस के बीच जब हम ग्राफ बनाते हैं, अगर जो कर्व में आता है तो नॉन यूनिफॉर्म, और स्ट्रेट में रहेगा तो यूनिफॉर्म. सो इट इज क्लियर. to the difference between the uniform and non-uniform. Uniform motion means the distance covered in equal interval of the equal distances covered in equal interval of the time, and non-uniform motion unequal distances covered in equal interval of the time. So this type of the motion is called the non-uniform motion. Next term is the speed and velocity. What is the speed? Speed refers to a moving object covers the distance in per unit time, that is called the speed. यानी moving object covers distance in per unit time, that is called the speed. So the formula of the speed equal to distance traveled by time taken. It is clear? यानी a moving object covers distance in per unit time, that is called the speed. So the SI unit of the speed is meter per second. The distance, the unit of the distance is meter, and time, the unit of time is second. So the unit of SI unit of the speed is meter per second. Speed is the scalar quantity. Scalar quantity क्या होता है? I have already explained in the first video. Scalar quantity, the physical quantity which have magnitude only, जिसमें सिर्फ magnitude रहता है only, that is called the scalar. So here the speed is scalar quantity. Scalar quantity. Speed is the scalar quantity. Next one is the velocity. The moving object covers distance in per unit time at the given direction, that is called the velocity. So velocity is the distance covered by the moving object in a particular direction, that is called the velocity, and the SI unit of the velocity is meter per second. Clear? And the velocity is the vector quantity. स्पीड और वेलोसिटी का जो डिफरेंस है, फर्स्ट डिफरेंस क्या है? स्पीड डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल बाय टाइम टेकन. वेलोसिटी क्या होती है? वेलोसिटी और स्पीड का फार्मूला सेम है, बस चेंजिंग क्या है? यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस है और यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस की जगह पे क्या हो जाएगा? डिस्प्लेसमेंट. सो वेलोसिटी equal to displacement by time taken. ठीक है? Displacement by time taken. And the SI unit of the velocity is meter per second, and velocity is the vector quantity, because here is the displacement, and displacement, the moving object covers distance in the given direction. अगर जो यहाँ पे वेलोसिटी में जो है डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल यानी मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट जो डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है वो किस डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है ये दिया गया है, तो क्या बन जाएगा? वेलोसिटी. अगर जो डायरेक्शन नहीं है तो स्पीड. सो देयर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द स्पीड एंड वेलोसिटी. स्पीड is the scalar quantity, velocity is the vector quantity. SI unit of the speed is meter per second, and here is the meter per second. The formula of the speed equal to distance by time taken, and the formula of the velocity is displacement by time taken. So there are the some differences here. And next one is the average speed. Average speed. Average speed. What is the average speed? The total distances covered by the moving object in total time taken. Suppose that here is the, take one example, the first 60 meter in 1 second and next 80 meter in 2 seconds. First 60 meter in 1 second and next 100 meter in 2 seconds. What is the average speed? So average speed is the total distance covered by the moving object by total time taken. Then average speed, total distance by total time taken. So in the example here, first 60 meter and next one is the 80 meter. First 60 meter 1 second and next 80 meter 2 seconds. So what is the average speed? The total distance is 60 plus 80 by total time taken in 2 seconds, then by 2. 60 plus 80, 140 by 2, that is the 70 meter per second. That is the average speed. So the average speed, total distance covered by the moving object by total time taken, that is called the average speed. And average velocity is the, here is the average speed, total distance by total time taken, and average velocity equal to, here is the average velocity. Average velocity, the initial velocity plus final velocity by 2. So if the initial velocity u and final velocity v, then the average velocity initial plus final by 2, that is the average velocity. So here is the two types of the velocity. First is the uniform and second is the non-uniform velocity. Uniform velocity means the moving object covers equal distances in equal interval of time in the particular direction. This type of the velocity is called the uniform. Second is the variable. Variable velocity, if the moving object covers unequal distances in equal interval of the time in the different direction, that is called the variable velocity. So here is the speed, difference between the speed and velocity. Repeat again, the difference between the speed is the scalar quantity and velocity the vector quantity. If the moving object covered by the any object in per unit time, that is called the speed, and the moving object cover the distances in different direction, that is called the velocity. And velocity is the vector quantity. Second one is there are the two types of the velocity. First is the uniform. Uniform is if the moving object covers equal distances in equal interval of time in particular direction, that is called the uniform. And second is the variable. Variable, if the moving object covers unequal distances in equal interval of time in the definite direction. For the example, if car moving in the crowded road, अगर जो भीड़ भाड़ वाले रोड पे कार मूव कर रही है तो कहीं पे उसकी स्पीड क्या होती है, स्लो होती है, कहीं फास्ट होती है. सो वेरिएबल, दिस टाइप ऑफ द वेलोसिटी इज वेरिएबल. क्यों वेरिएबल? मतलब इट कैन बी चेंज. क्या होगी, लेकिन टाइम ड्यूरेशन क्या होगा, सेम होगा. जब वेलोसिटी जो है चेंज होगी, मीन्स वहाँ पे जो डिस्टेंसेज है, जो डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है, वो क्या हो रहा है, अनइक्वल हो जा रहा है, और टाइम ड्यूरेशन इक्वल है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ द वेलोसिटी इज कॉल्ड द वेरिएबल वेलोसिटी. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं फिर इक्वेशन ऑफ द मोशन एंड एक्सीलरेशन और रिटार्डेशन के साथ. थैंक यू.